Ikaw ba naghanap ng buds that has high-res audio and is priced at below 4,000 pesos? Today, papakita ko sa inyo itong hawak ko. This is something that has high-res audio and is also priced below 4,000 pesos. Interested to know? Don't go away after this quick intro. Hi guys, ako po si Richard from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And yes, tama ang hula ninyo, it's the Huawei Freebuds 5i. And I'm pretty sure nabasa nyo na sa title. Andyan lang sa taas, you know. And in this video, papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng pwede nyo magawa dito sa buds na ito other than just having high-res audio, and yung price niya is just 3,599. So let's go on with a quick unboxing. So kita natin ang kanyang box, square na square. And sa gilid niya, wala namang print. And sa likod, there's some specifications na gusto nyo malaman. There's high-resolution sound, 42 decibel multi-mode na active noise cancelling, 28 hours of playback time, no, with the case, dual device connection, swipe, tap twice, and press and hold ang kanyang mga controls. Low latency, perfect for gaming. Buksan natin. So ganito ang kanyang packaging. Buksan na natin, no. So ito itsura ng Huawei Freebuds 5i. And when you pop it, ganito itsura niya. On the side, andyan ang kanyang pairing button. Sa ilalim, Type-C charging port. And pag inangat mo ang buds, this is how it looks like. Medyo nag-iba siya ng konti compared sa 4i. Si 4i medyo mas mahabang kanyang stem, no? But this one medyo pinalitan niya. And medyo mas cute ang kanyang design. So nandito mga charging terminals niya. Andito mga charging terminals niya. And nandito nakaprint mga CE certificates. So kita natin dito sa buds, this is the charging terminal. Dito ang mouthpiece natin. So ito ear tip. Pag tinanggal mo, ganito itsura niya. This is how it looks like pag tinanggal mo ang tips. And of course, this is used for noise cancelling. So I have here the left and the right buds. So ganito itsura niya. And it looks really nice though. Ito ang kanyang color niya. And what I have here is the color Isle Blue. Makita natin yung case niya, no? Is same color niya. Mukha siyang pebble and mukha siyang rock ang kanyang design, no? So this probably would be the best seller na color among the other colors na available. I think the other one is black and white. Other stuffs inside. Meron siyang 3-month free trial to Huawei Music. So we have yung mga spare tips na. You have the small and the large. And nakaka-attach is the medium. Meron tayong A to C na charging cable, user guide, and of course, warranty card to round out everything inside the box. So let me run you down sa mga quick specs dito sa buds na ito. It has high-resolution sound, so meaning it has full link na high-resolution sound, adaptive ear matching, optimization, may multi-equalization sound effects siya, punchy, and of course, moderate na bass. Then, it has certified high-res wireless audio. Together with this one, it has a 42 decibel na multi-mode ANC. Yung kanyang noise cancelling na can reach up to 42 decibels. And what's nice dito, it has 3 active noise cancelling modes: Ultra, General, Cozy, and Wind Noise mode. And what's nice din dito sa kanya, it has 28 hours of playback time. So both of this one, it can play back 7.5 hours and kasama ang charging case, all in all, 28 hours ang kaya niyang itagal. So right now, kukonek ko na siya sa ating phone. So kailangan mo i-open ang iyong Bluetooth. So, i-open mo ang case, put it to pairing mode, press mo lang button dito sa gilid, makita mo, no? So, Huawei Freebuds 5i. So, i-connect lang natin, makita mo, no? Everything's 100%. Okay? So, ang kanyang charging case, and of course, yung buds is 100%, kaka-charge lang natin. So, yeah, nakapasok na siya, no? So, makita mo, it's connected. Right now, naka-connected na siya. It's Huawei Freebuds 5i. Let's press next. Meron siya makita mga updates, automatic siya mag-update for you. So, kailangan natin magantay for a while. Meron pa siya mga tutorials dito na tinuturo, no? So, place in both ears. Tinuturo siya, no? How to pause music. So, pipindutin mo lang dito, no? So, you need to do is just pause. Ganun. Okay. Yan. Sabi, nice. Sabi, double tap mo daw, no? So, all you need to do is double tap. Yan. Sabi siya, okay. Then, adjust the volume. Swipe down or swipe up. All you need to do is just swipe down or swipe up. Yan. Okay? So, yung mga tutorial niya. So, noise control. So, press and hold the stem for, yung marinig mo yung tone, no? So, hold mo lang siya. Yan. So, yun yung noise cancelling mode niya, no? So, you can change your mode. Press and hold ulit, no? So, until you heard, yan. So, yan. Yan ang buong tutorial niya. Yung completed tutorial. So, makita mo dito, everything that you want to know. Ito noise control niya, no? So, noise cancelling niya, right? Naka-on. So, pwede mo rin lagay sa awareness mode, no? So, this is what you call the transparent mode. So, okay. So, you can check yung sound quality mo wherein you can turn on yung mga EQ effects, no? So, either go for bass boost, treble boost. We'll choose bass boost muna, no? So, pwede natin gamitin LDAC dito. So, meaning you can play mga FLAC na file, mga lossless na music, no? It gives you a more richer experience when you're using these buds. That's why it has high-res audio and kaya na mag-play ng mga, and meron siya LDAC mode. Okay, so there's a lot of other things that you can do here, like gestures, find your earbuds, tip fit test. So, try lang natin to, no? So, check lang natin. So, start. Okay, so anyways, so papalitan lang natin a little bit later buds natin, no? So, service widgets. So, yeah, you can use it, mga connection center, no? So, pwede mo add sa favorites mo. Then, of course, settings. Okay? So, pwede mo i-turn on yung dynamic latency na, no, for gaming mode. So, para makapaglaro ka na maayos, no? Then, of course, kita natin HD Bluetooth audio codec na is LDAC. So, you can play mga FLAC files. So, smart word detection, meaning, pag tinanggal mo sa inyo tenga, automatic, magpo-pause yung music. So, ano first thing na tinatry natin sa mga buds ko, no, is to try it sa workout. And of course, workouts normally entails yung mga heavy shaking ng head and heavy shaking ng buong body. So, you have to make sure na mga buds mo can keep up sa mga shakes na ginagawa mo. So, right now, i-shake ko ang ulo ko, no, to make sure na hindi malalaglag tong dalawang buds na to sa aking tenga. So, let's try. Nahilo ako. Okay, so kita natin, no, tight fit, hindi siya nalaglag, so definitely okay siya for workout. So I've been trying itong buds ito for roughly mga 2 weeks and I've been using it to listen to Spotify and listen to mga high-res na audio like LDAC, mga FLAC files, no. Then, of course, tinry din natin mag-gaming sa Call of Duty Mobile and as well as, well, just watching videos, any videos on YouTube, no. So, tinry ko naman siya sa workout. Pinair natin dito sa aking watch, which is the Huawei GT3 Pro. Mabilis lang siya mag-sync, no? So, lahat ng songs nandito, kaya na playback din sa aking buds. So, I don't need to bring yung smartphone ko for workout. Kasi, syempre, tumatakbo ka. Ayaw mo naman may smartphone na sa tabi mo. So, all you need to do is just tap lang dito sa tenga. And, of course, pwede may control everything dito sa yung watch, which is very portable. Then, of course, listening to Spotify music, I can say the experience is really nice. Ang ganda ng mga bass boost na dito, no? Pero yung sound niya dito is more on natural. Pero you can set naman dito sa inyong AI Life na app. Either go for bass boost or treble boost. Depende sa inyo, no? But ako, I put it to bass boost to give you a little more kick when you're listening to mga songs na maganda ang bass, no? Eh, itong bass ito, I can say okay naman siya when you're listening to mga songs na medyo mababa ang bass. Now, listening to mga high-res audio na using the LDAC, I can say okay naman. Probably you would feel it a little bit better if you're listening to mga files ng FLAC. Probably I'll leave this topic sa mga audio fields para to give you more detailed explanation pagdating sa LDAC. Now, watching movies na naka-pair ako sa Huawei Mate 50 Pro ko is definitely okay kasi ang ganda ng sounds coming off from these buds. And, well, playing game, that's the most important part. Naglaro tayo ng Call of Duty Mobile. I can say, yung, hindi siya naiiwan. Okay ang na low latency mode. Kailangan mo lang i-turn on, no? This is AI Life na app. So, to give you a more immersive experience when playing the game, lalo mga shooting games. So, kasi very important sa shooting games, you're listening sa left and right mo kung may mga footsteps, kung may mga gunshots that is nearby, to give you the cue na meron kang kalaban nearby, which is definitely very important if you want to win more games, lalo sa mga shooting games. Overall, itong FreeBuds 5i, I can say for the price of $3,599, you get high-res audio and 28 hours of playback time. And itong buds is snug fit sa aking tenga, which is comfy. And I've been wearing for 2 weeks, and probably beyond 2 weeks is pretty much good, no? So I can say na this is going to be one of my daily driver when I use it for my light workout during the morning, and probably listening to some music when during my off time. Okay na okay tong Huawei Freebuds 5i. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para di naman miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so ako pala si Richman, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?